Hey, Assalamu alaikum. I will tell you about the educations from this full meaning. I hope you know that this one. No problem. Just you continue these videos. You will show my first video and first YouTube channel visiting systems. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press this notification bell icon. It's just next videos. So don't waste your time. Let's get started now. Education is this meaning fast. E. Energy. Second, D. Discipline. U. Unity. C. Confidence. A. M. T. Talent. I. Interest. O. Opportunity. N. Nationality. A student is most important in all its own systems and in our educational life. This is the most important system in your life and your future planning career systems. So I hope it's a very workable and usable word in your life. So not a guided systems. I hope it's important. So you can visit this one and please learn this one. And you have any questions, please put this comments box. Garments industry, textile systems, merchandising systems, quality systems, production system. If any questions, please put a comments in my comments area. And I hope best answer and best solution give you. Thank you so much for watching this full videos.